Hey pretty babes, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're already a pretty game member, hey boo, let me know how you're doing down in the comments, and let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna go in and prime my eyes, and I am using the Pro Concealer, which you can get from the beauty supply store. Y'all know what this is. This is the OG. I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty powder. This is in Banana Bread, and I'm just gonna set my concealer on my eyes. I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. This is the Chocolate palette by Juvia's Place. Oh my goodness. And I'm gonna be going in with this. So next we're gonna go in with the brown shade. So for the pink, I'm going to be going in with my Juvia's Place blush palette. Yes, I use this sometimes for eyeshadow when I'm trying to give a pinky look. And I'm going to be going in with this. So I'm gonna go in with my Makeup by Mario, and this is the shade 9C. And of course, all the products that we are using will be linked down below for my pretty babe, just in case y'all want to check it out. You like the look in the products.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga.
We are going to be using some new products today. They are by TFIT. You can find them on Instagram, TikTok, and on Amazon. Amazon links will be down below, of course. So they did send over some concealers. We have Dark 04. We have Deep. And then we have some blush in the color Cozy Nude. So we're not going to use a blush today. We're actually going to be using the two concealers. I'm going to use the Deep for contour, and then I'm going to use the concealer for under my eyes. So let's see. Let's do them side by side. So this is the Deep, and then this is the Dark. So we're going to go in with the Dark, and we're going to be using this concealer shade right here, actually.
Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other I pretend it's you.
Honestly, it's turning out better than I expected. Okay. For my base powder, we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty, and this is the Ube Birthday Cake Easy Bake powder. What is it? So we're gonna be going in with the deep shade for some contour. We're gonna be going in with this one. I was gonna say this one, but I don't want it too deep, so we're gonna be going in with this one. I'm gonna go in with my Benefit powder. This is in Toasted, and we're just gonna go right on top. And then I do go under. I don't really contour my nose, but I do just go in with the Benefit powder. So we're gonna take some of that Huda Beauty banana powder again. I'm just gonna dust this off. So we're gonna be going in with our Urban Decay Benefit eyeliner in the shade Black. I'm gonna be going in with two different types of mascaras. This one is by Huda Beauty. It's the One Coat Wow. This is my OG fave. And then we have the Clinique, and this is the High Impact Full Value Mascara, which I really do love the brush on this mascara. I've never been a girl be like, oh, I like this brush on that mascara, I like this brush. I love this brush on this mascara. I feel like it's really meant for your bottom lashes. Do you guys see that brush? Perfect for your bottoms. What is it? Next, we're gonna go in and do our brows. This is the brow pencil I'm gonna be using. Usually I use Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I ran out and I have to go get another one. So we're gonna be using a Too Faced, and then I'm gonna go in with some LA Girl brow pomade as well to just smooth everything out. We're gonna go in and spray with our all-nighter Urban Decay spray. And for blush, we're gonna be going in with that same Juvia's Palette blush kit. Okay, so we're gonna go in with one more setting powder. This is the Huda Beauty Cherry Peach Duo, and we're gonna be using the pink under the eye. So I'm gonna go in with my brush, and then you always dab it on your arm before you go in because you want an even layer. We're gonna be going in with the lip liner Molasses by Sephora collection, one of my faves. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Eclair, and we're just gonna do a little dab. So then, what is it? So then we're gonna go in with the Lawless Strawberry Milk. Next, we're going to take my Fenty Balm Gloss in a color Glass Slipper, and we're just going to go over the whole lip to make it glossy. I'm running out. So lastly, we're going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Okay, pretty babes, this is the look. Oh my gosh, I look so pretty. It's definitely getting Valentine's Day girly. And of course, you know, you guys could wear this makeup look anytime, anywhere, but I love it. I love the concealers. Honestly, I was not expecting the way my concealer came out. So creamy, it melted so good into my skin, as y'all can see. And I like the deep that I use for the contour. I really do believe that both of these, me being a brown skin girly, I honestly was hesitant about this one, but the shade that I use are perfect for this look. And over here on the dark side, the shade that I use for my contour, perfect. I didn't want it too dark, but these will be linked down below with everything else that we use for our makeup today, just in case you guys want to check it out and get the look. But yes, pretty girls, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the look, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.
Not know what you just started. Me and my